Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix Marvel Rivals crashing on Windows. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So the first step is to make sure you have the updated drivers for your graphics card. You can download a software like any driver to find the latest driver for your graphic card, or you can just type in your graphic card's name on Google and download the latest drivers for it. For example, I will just write uh, something like this, and I can just download the latest driver, or you can just download the auto detect software for AMD. I believe there's a similar software for NVIDIA as well. So just update your graphics driver and make sure you have uh, directives installed on your PC as well. It comes pre-installed on Windows 11, but if you're on Windows 10, you should download and install it. And if it still doesn't work, you can just try reinstalling your Windows and installing the game as well. And this should fix your problem in most cases. So yeah guys, if you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.